Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Today, we're going to be fishing, but I just got done fishing and filming a few things. But, oh shoot, Dad, you know what I didn't do? I didn't take a picture of the fish. Oh yeah, I did. I did take a picture, but I didn't get a picture of that ginormous fish. Spoiler alert. But
Video.
I got video.
Show them the ponds over here where you're fishing.
Okay, so I'm going to show you the ponds and then we'll switch.
I'm going to show where you fish.
What? I'm not. But I'll show you the ponds that we did fish. But I'm not showing you the house because I don't want you to know where we're fishing at. But this will do for a good little short video. It's not a longer video, like a 9-10 minute video like my usual videos. But we got a pond on the right that I'll show you guys in just a second. But the first pond, which is up there, feeds into this big pond. Okay, over there in that pond's where I caught that big fish that you guys will figure out in the. Dude, that one was a ginormous buck. There's like 11 deer and like 2 bucks, and the rest of them were like does. They're like another 3, which was different. But up there, which is that pond up there, and then the pond down here. The pond up there feeds into this pond. Look at the fish popping up right there. But what you guys will figure out is later in the video. So we're gonna switch it right over to the video starting now. All right, we're fishing this new pond that we ain't never fished. I've caught a bass type thing, and look at what I just caught.
Make sure.
That's a bluegill. That's a full-blooded bluegill.
Let's go.
They got teeth though.
Go ahead and grab it. Go grab it. The thing won't hurt you.
God. Look at this thing. Look at that. That's bigger than my dad's hand and arm. Dude, hold it. Look at this thing. What kind of fish is this? Dude, what are these? What are these? What are they feeding these? That's bigger than my head. That is bigger than my head.
Grab hold of it.
That is bigger than my flipping head, dude. We've been missing out, Dad.
Yes.
That's like a freaking river fish. Dude, we about to release this thing. Dude, that is a monster. And it was off the edge.
What do you think about? What are you gonna say to Jonathan and Nisi?
We're gonna tell them that they need to come down here and fish. Thank you, son. This clip right here of my brother and my dad getting in the water is from a few months ago. Good on, it's got. It's on with that. She's fully pregnant.
What kind of fish is that?
It's like a bluegill bass or something. Look at that mouth on that thing. That thing's a chunk. It's the biggest bluegill in the world.
I don't even know what you would call that.
Me either, but it looks like it's bedding. There's some blood on it.
Mm-hmm.
Dude, that's something you don't see every day.
Lay your arm out and see how big it really is.
Oh, flopped out. Man, that's a big flipping bluegill. Let's get this big girl back in the water. Oh, that thing's a chunk. That's the biggest bluegill in the world.
I don't even know what you would call that.
Me either, but it looks like it's bedding. With some blood on it.
Mm-hmm.
Dude, that's something you don't see every day.
Lay your arm out. Let's see how big it really is.
Flopped out. Man, that's a big flipping bluegill. Let's get this big girl back in the water. Oh, that thing's a chunk. That's the biggest bluegill in the world.
I don't even know what you would call that.
Me either, but it looks like it's bedding. With some blood on it.
Mm-hmm.
Dude, that's something you don't see every day.
Lay your arm out. Let's see how big it really is.
Flopped out. Man, that's a big flipping bluegill. Let's get this big girl back in the water.